Yo, it's me, dude.
Yeah, not interested.
It's me. It's Callas. It's Nick Callas.
For what?
It's Nick Callas. You told me to come over. Nick Callas, stand-up comedian, Caroline's, Comedy Cellar, Laugh Factory. I had a pilot with MTV. It did not go. There's no way that you don't know who I am. We are best friends.
I remember.
Come on up, buddy.
But, I mean, you have to buzz me in.
What's
Wow.
Welcome
Sorry. Go right ahead.
Welcome to
Hi
Hungry
there. Smash cut, hard graphics, maybe a couple badass shots of me, right?
What's up? Welcome to Hungry Whit. This is my very special guest, Nick Callas.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's a comedian. You probably know that already, though. We're making gyros today. I think of all my friends, you're the one who I've connected most with through just pigging out and eating food.
Without a doubt.
We started at the comic strip, and that's where we met. And we would just go down the 14th Street and just eat gyros from halal carts.
$6 gyros. We
That's
would
it.
get 3 apiece,
Uh-huh.
and
that's actually
we
true.
would eat and cry over the woes of comedy.
Yep. And we're gonna make them from scratch today. Do you know what we're cooking with here? Do you want me to go over the
Yes.
ingredients?
As you guys can see here, we have 3 different types of cocaine.
We're gonna combine these ingredients and we're gonna make a dough for the pita. So we're starting with, this is wheat flour. Oh, this is sugar, not cocaine, not fine cocaine, but sugar. This is just a cup of lukewarm water. All right, so incorporate that, mix that together. So once that's incorporated, we actually just sit here now, just let it sit. And we're gonna rest this for 15 minutes, and the yeast is actually gonna start eating the little sugars, and it's gonna start bubbling.
Oh,
and that's when we
wow.
actually start having a bloomed yeast, and then we can add the rest of the ingredients, and we'll actually have all the things we need to make pita.
Cool.
All right, so we gotta reserve a half a cup of flour, just because we're gonna need it to knead with, but we're gonna add the rest of the flour, but before we do it, we're gonna add salt. So you do the honors here, sir. And while you do that, I'm adding olive oil. And I'm gonna slowly incorporate all of this. And this is going to make a shaggy ball of dough. We have to do this for about a minute and incorporate everything.
It takes a substantial amount of effort.
Yeah, man. It's kind
is
of
a
crazy.
decent
I'm fat,
workout.
You know? Like,
Yeah.
I make dough like
Well, it's
this
because you
quite often.
eat it after.
Yeah.
We'll need you. You wanna lick that?
I don't. It's raw dough.
Gotta get in there for a nice scoop. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. So we're gonna start folding this together with the all-purpose flour. So you're basically gonna be pushing it into itself and then pushing down, if that makes sense. So your
Okay.
hands are gonna get a little sticky, but the more you do it, the less that'll happen. And then if you need to add just a pinch of dough, it's right here, or a pinch of flour, it's right here.
Cool.
Yeah. So into itself. Yeah. Dude,
Oh my
is
god, this
fun,
feels
right?
so cool. Now, what do you do if it starts to arouse you?
You check into therapy. I don't know. Talk to somebody.
Okay. And is there a number on the back of the bottle?
And then the last thing is we just grease up a bowl with olive oil, and then we cover. Cool, so we're doing chicken gyros with boneless chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are better, they're juicy, they're red meat. We're gonna make the marinade first and then dump the chicken in. Cool?
Let's do it.
So this is Greek yogurt, it's about a cup. Do you wanna do the honors?
Yeah. Do you have a catchphrase for when you like pour and dump stuff?
No, I don't.
Well, let's come up with one. How about you go, splooge?
Splooge?
Splooge. I'm Whitmer, and that's a splooge.
Can you even say splooge?
Yeah, of course you can.
Alright, so you got the Greek yogurt. I'm adding minced garlic, oregano,
Turmeric.
turmeric,
Turmeric.
coriander seed,
Who's Corey?
and we're gonna squeeze.
Would not be Greek food without excessive lemon. Already starting to look like chicken.
This is the marinade.
You want me to mix it up?
Yep.
All right.
And then we just have to add salt and pepper to it. All right, so we're gonna put the chicken thighs in. And we just wanna make sure these are all coated.
So just lather them up.
Yep.
Splooge. Splooge it. Oh, look at that. Splooged all over me. And done.
No, not yet.
Oh, not?
No,
I thought it was done.
It's not incorporated.
I'm Greek. I know.
You need the marinade on
I know when
every-
it's ready to eat.
All right, so we're gonna take our marinated chicken and we're gonna pierce it through this. This is just skewers with onions that's cooked with the chicken.
Gyro in Greek means round and round.
Uh-huh.
So that's why they call it a gyro.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You learn something new every day.
So we just have to make sure this is sturdy and it won't fall over. Take some of the marinade in your hands and just kind of make sure you rub it out on the side and then also get it on the side of the onions. So one of my favorite things about the gyro is when you order from the halal car and they're done making it and the guy just takes the squeeze bottle and just all that white sauce. It's the best. So I got one of these.
Nice.
Yeah, and we're gonna make the white sauce.
How did you acquire this?
Oh, it's crazy, dude. I actually beat up a guy.
Wow.
And he knew the location of the store where I bought it from.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So we're gonna make a white sauce, and we're just to add a little bit of an extra homemade kick. We're gonna make our own mayonnaise. Tablespoon of Dijon mustard, just a pinch of salt, pepper, then it's a cup of oil, and then it's 1 egg that's sitting at the bottom. This is an immersion blender. Drop it right in.
Whoa.
See it?
What is that?
It's just emulsifying into mayonnaise.
Emulsify? I've never even heard that word before.
And that's it. And you have literally.
Wait, what?
That's mayonnaise,
dude.
dude.
It's crazy.
Okay, now we're just gonna put a half a cup of this homemade mayonnaise in this bowl in front of you. And we're gonna add some Greek yogurt, sugar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and I'm just gonna squeeze in some lemon juice while you stir it up.
What would you assume like the calorie count on like a tablespoon or two of this?
A tablespoon wouldn't be too bad. A tablespoon would be about 60 calories.
So if you drink this bowl, you die.
Yeah, easy.
Cool. Sign me up.
And I'm just gonna basically like make equal part balls of dough. So while we're rolling these out, we gotta cover these or else they're gonna develop a crust and that sucks. Take this, add a little more flour. And since it's homemade, it doesn't have to be perfectly round. It actually makes it look a little bit more rustic if it's not. It actually distinguishes itself from the store-bought stuff. Beautiful. All right, let's give it a shot. I'm gonna hit the heat on the cast iron. You definitely see the bubbles. It's definitely starting to rise. Damn, dude, we did it.
Yeah, I did. Wow, that's awesome.
All right. All right, this is it. Homemade pita bread, just lettuce and tomato. This is the white sauce you made. This is just some red hot sauce. You know what it is. This is our...
Whose red hot is it?
Bill's Red Hot. This is our shawarma tower. It looks really ugly, but it's so awesome. So I'm gonna start peeling off some meat here, and we're gonna get actually the charred onion, and then, whoa, is it good?
What's up?
Oh, nothing. So we're gonna put the chicken on, onions, a little bit of lettuce, tomato, and then, like I said, my favorite part. Sir, yo hero.
Oh God. Buddy,
You made it.
so
dude.
good. Oh my God. Jeez. I don't really like you,
Not
but
anymore,
Christ, so good. I mean, the chicken is like so crispy, but also like so tender. Damn, dude. Oh yeah. John.
dude. Yeah, you can get the crew eating it.
So good. I'm telling you, dude, this green next level.